Aurangzeb was a Mughal emperor and he was a tyrant. He went to great extents, even destroying his own family to obtain power. And therein lies the answer to why the film is titled Aurangzeb. It's because human beings can push themselves to any extent to obtain power, to be at the top. What kind of limits would you push? Would you destroy your own family, your own people? How far would you go for power? And that's where it comes into all our characters. हमारे सारे किरदारों में कहीं ना कहीं वो औरंगजेब की छाप है. एक थॉट प्रोसेस जैसे औरंगजेब का था कि पावर के लिए किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं. तो हम सब में चाहे ऋषि कपूर हो, चाहे जैकी श्रॉफ हो, चाहे पृथ्वीराज हो.
आजकल जैसे एक रिवाज बन गया है हीरो हीरोइंस को कहने का कि ये कैसी पिक्चर है, तो बोलते हैं फन फिल्म, कोई बोलता है स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ, कोई कहता है इट्स ए कॉमेडी. नो, दिस इज नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. ये जॉनर जो हमारे डायरेक्टर अतुल सबरवाल और हमारे प्रोड्यूसर ने जो चुना था, ये एक सही मानों में मैं समझता हूँ एक क्राइम ड्रामा है, एक ह्यूमन क्राइम ड्रामा है जो हमने बहुत सालों से इसे शायद पर्दे पे नहीं देखा.
This is a film that is mostly about the characters and what happens between them. So in a way, it's also shot like that. You know, you get to see the actors up close. It's about performances. It's about intense performances from actors, and that is what I really enjoyed while doing Aurangzeb. It is my second Hindi film, but the thing is, once you start shooting a film, unfortunately, you can't forget the 75-80 films you've done. So for me, the biggest the biggest factor as far as Aurangzeb is concerned, firstly, is that it is a Yash Raj film. In a lot of ways, for someone like me who comes from the South, it signifies a lot of things, because Yash Raj is probably as Bollywood as it can get. And for a studio house like that to show confidence in an actor from another part of the country, to pull off a character that is in no way South Indian, or I don't have the liberty of playing a South Indian in this film. I play a Haryanvi cop. So that, to me, and for actors from my part of the country, it signifies a big change. It signifies an evolution in the way actors are perceived.
I just had a blast doing the film. बहुत मज़ा आया करते वक्त. नया डायरेक्टर दिखता मगर नया कुछ लगा नहीं मेरे को. बहुत संभाला, एक लुक बराबर संभाल के रखा. आईना के बाद यशराज फिल्म में काम करने का मौका मिला. ऋषि जी आपको कुछ बताएंगे बाद में, जो हमारी ये दूसरी पिक्चर साथ में है.
दोनों फिल्म में हमने एक भी शॉट साथ में नहीं दिया है. ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में जाएगा कि 2 फिल्म में काम करते हुए भी हमारा एक भी शॉट नहीं है साथ.